Missouri is responding to the latest COVID surge by deploying ambulances across the state. They'll transport infected patients to other regions if nearby hospitals are too full to admit them. CBS's Mireya Villarreal has more.
Tonight, hospitals across Missouri are bracing for another surge in COVID cases and deaths. Health experts warning this surge is being fueled by the Delta strain and is more dangerous than what we've seen over the last year.
My patients with coronavirus, many of them are intubated. Many of them are on significant amount of medicines to control their muscles and paralyze them even.
Kansas City hit their highest positivity rate of COVID cases since the pandemic began at 34.4%, and fully vaccinated rates are just below 40%. Cox Health Hospital in Springfield, Missouri is near capacity, treating more than 175 COVID patients and reporting 27 deaths in the last week.
What are the cases like for kids under the age of 12?
Both of our hospital partners have told us that they have had children in their facilities and they've needed interventions that they did not see before, such as being, intubated.
Springfield's largest school district is requiring students and staff to start the new school year wearing masks. Districts in St. Louis County and all Illinois schools are being ordered to follow suit.
I don't want a 10-year-old getting sick. I don't want an outbreak at an elementary school.
Kansas City reinstated a mandate for the entire city requiring masks to be worn in all indoor spaces where 6 feet cannot be maintained. 2 days after it went into effect, the state's attorney general sued the city and Mayor Lucas, in part claiming he didn't have the power to make this decision. The AG posting on Twitter, the mask mandate is an orchestrated distraction, and the restrictions are not about science, but about politics.
Are you trying to infringe on the freedoms of people that live in the city?
You know, what I'm trying to do is make sure that we can stay open. There are too many people in this state and in this country who right now, when we are dealing with a real crisis, have chosen, I think, to divide us further.
That political division now playing out inside local hospitals.
I watched a woman sending text messages to her sister yesterday and calling her son to tell him they're putting the tube in, and I hope I can talk to you again. And these are the voices that haunt me as I continue to try and take care of these patients. And I wonder and ask, why could you have not gotten a vaccine?
As the standoff in the Show Me state continues, the mask mandate will remain in place until a judge orders otherwise. Mireya Villarreal, CBS News in Kansas City, Missouri.